Hello students, welcome back to the YouTube channel of St. Wilfred College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Panvel. In this video, we will see the problem of retirement of retirement of partner during the year. In last video, we discussed the retirement of partner at the last end of the accounting year. So there will be no any change in a final account. But when partners retire from the business during the year, then there will be some changes in a account. So first we will classify the item. First is purchases, trading account, debit side. Return inward, less from sales. Stock, this is the opening stock. Why? Because here trading account balance is not given. It means this is the opening stock. Trading account, debit side. Drawings, capital account, debit side. Salary, P&L account, debit side. Office expense, P&L account, debit side. Bad debts, P&L account, debit side. Carriage inward, trading account, debit side. Carriage outward, P&L account, debit side. Debtors, asset side. Bills receivable, asset side. Bank balance, asset side. Cash balance, asset side. Investment, asset side. Premises, asset side. And machinery is also asset side. Okay. Get in how to classify the item? Now, capital account. Capital account, by balance brought down of capital. Next is sales. Sales, trading account, credit side. Sales, trading account, credit side. Next, return outward less from purchase. RDD, this is the old RDD. So this will be less from the bad debts. Bank loan, liability side. Creditors, liability side. Bills payable, liability side. Now, see the adjustment. On 1st July 2013, A retire and following adjustment were agreed upon. 1st July, our business is start from 1st January. And of the 1st July, A is retire from the business. Means A is only January, February, March, April, May, June. Only 6 months in the business. A run their partnership for the 6 months only. After 6 months, A retires from the business. Next, goodwill of rupees 90,000 were brought into books of account. Means goodwill brought into the books of account. So capital account credit side by goodwill, and second effect asset side. Because here no any adjustment is given, just like a goodwill was not recorded in the books. Okay, in last lecture, see, the goodwill was not recorded in a book. So both the effects of goodwill we done in a capital account. But here no any such information is available. Goodwill recorded in a books. So first effect capital account credit side goodwill, and second effect asset side. Next is furniture. Furniture we are purchased for rupees 20,000 but not recorded in books. Means purchase of furniture. Purchase furniture purchase. Furniture is our asset, so write asset side. Not recorded in a book, so it is right in a add in a creditors. Add in a creditors. Next is balance of A's account after making all the adjustment. After making all the adjustment, balance of A, when A is retired from the business, close the column of A and balance of A transfer to the loan account. Clear? Close the account of A and balance of A transfer to the loan account, just like last video we done. A's of balance of A, the partner who is retired from the business, the balance of that partner should transfer to his loan account, carrying the interest 16%. Here this adjustment is new. Carrying the interest on loan 16%. This adjustment is new. Means you have to charge the interest on loan amount. Whatever loan you will transfer to the A's, to calculate the interest on that loan account. Then what will be the two effects of loan? First, add in A's loan, and second effect P&L account debit side. Next, closing balance. All of you know this adjustment. Closing balance, trading account credit side and asset side. Next, depreciate furniture, machinery and premises. Tick mark on furniture, machinery and premises. For machinery, premises and furniture we will write later, because for furniture adjustment is given. So tick mark on furniture also. Tick mark on furniture also. Okay. Now, provide the interest on capital. So first effect, interest on capital, calculate the 10% interest on capital. So what will the first effect? Capital account credit side by interest on capital, and second effect, P&L account, P&L appropriation account debit side. Clear? How to do the adjustments? Now in this video we will do only postings, and in next video we will do the adjustment. So start the postings. First, purchases. So purchases where will come? Trading account debit side. Two purchases. How much the amount of purchases? See, how much the amount of purchases? 1,56,000. 1,56,000. Next, return inward means less from purchase. So here return outward is also given. So purchase write in inner column. 1,56,000 because return is given, and do the leave one line and do the underline. Next is stock. How much is stock? 24,000. So stock 24,000. To opening stock 24,000. Next is less purchase, return outward. See here, return outward means purchase return. So less return. How much? 2,000. Less return 2,000 means in outer column 1,54,000. Now next, return outward. Clear here? Now next is drawings. Where drawings will come? Capital account. So capital account debit side. Two drawings. How much is drawing of A? 12,000, 12,000, 12,000. All three partners drawings are same. 12,000, 12,000 and 12,000. Now next, salary. P&L account debit side. So P&L account debit side, write down to salary. Now this salary distribute between two columns. How much the salary? 27,000. So distribute the amount equally, because equal months, 6 months, 6 months. So equally 27,000 divided by 2, which means 13,500. 13,500. Now next is office expense. To office expenses. Again distribute the amount equally. Office expenses 8,250. 8,250. Okay, because the office expenses how much? Office expenses 16,500. 16 means 8,250. 8,250. Now next item is bad debts. On bad debts, adjustment is given? No. Old RDD is given. So bad debts write in inner column. Bad debts. See here. Bad debts is given. So bad debts write in inner column. To bad debts. How much the amount of bad debts? To bad debts. To bad debts. How much the amount of bad debts? 2,100. So 2,100 less old RDD. Less old RDD. Less old RDD. How much the amount of old RDD? See, old RDD is given here 8,800. 8,800. It means amount come in negative. Amount will come in negative. 8,800 minus 2,100. It means 6,700. Distribute between two partners. Distribute between two columns. It means 3,000 in negative. 3,350 negative. 3,350 negative. Clear? Okay. Or otherwise you can write two bad debts distributed between two columns, and RDD is given on a credit side. You can write by RDD credit side also, or you can less the old RDD also. You can do any type, anyway. Okay, anywhere. So next is two. Next is carriage inward. Carriage inward trading account debit side. So two carriage inward. Two carriage inward. To carriage inward. How much the amount of carriage inward? 4,500. 4,500. Next is to carriage outward. Carriage outward. Next is carriage outward. How much the amount of carriage outward? 6,750. 6,750 distributed between two columns. 6,000, 3,375 and 3,375. Clear? Next. Debtors. Debtors write down in a asset side. Debtors. Debtors. How much the amount of debtors? 1 lakh. Next. Bills receivable 3,250. Bills receivable asset side. Bills receivable. Bills receivable. How much the amount of bills receivable? Bills receivable 3,250. 3,250. Next is bank balance 8,000. So write down bank balance 8,000. Next is cash balance 2,500. Cash balance 2,500. Next is investment 25,000. Investments also in asset side 25,000. Next is premises inner column 50,000. Premises inner column 50,000. Write in inner column, leave one line. Next is machinery 36,000. Write in inner column. Machinery 36,000. Write in inner column, leave one line after that. Next, capital balances of A, B, C. So capital account, by balance brought down. By balance brought down 30,000, 30,000 and 30,000. Next is sales. Sales write down trading account credit side. By sales, write in inner column. How much the amount of sale? 2,94,000. 2,94,000. Less return inward. Less return inward. How much the amount of return inward? 2,400. So 2,400. Write down in a outer column. After less 2,000 to 2,94,000 minus 2,400. It means 2,91,600. Next, return outward, already we less from purchase. RDD is also less from bad debts. Next is bank loan. Bank loan, liability side, write down. Bank loan. How much the amount of bank loan? 20,000. Next, creditors, 76,500. Creditors, on creditors adjustment is given, so creditors write down in the inner column 76,500. 76,500. Write in inner column. So next is bills payable, 8,700. Bills payable, 8,700. Okay, done. Getting all the postings. Purchases, less from purchase, return inward. Purchase, less, return outward. ठीक है? Inward, less from sales. Stock, opening stock, drawing, salary, all the postings are finished. See, check all the items, all the postings are finished. RDD is also we less from the bad debts. You can less or write down P&L account credit side, whatever, as you want. Okay. So all the postings are finished. Adjustment we will see in the next lecture. Okay. Thank you.